If you have ever needed to run a PHP script in Windows, you may have installed tools like WAMP or XAMPP. These tools are great, but also contain other applications which you may or may not need. If you just need to learn PHP, you can download the Windows version, which is quite easy. Follow along with me and we will install it together. First, I will open a Windows command prompt and check if PHP is already installed. It looks like it is not installed, so let's go to the official website for PHP, at php.net. Once on the website, click on the Downloads menu option. Choose the current stable version, usually at the top of the page, then find the Windows Downloads link in the list. The first version in our list is VS16 for x64 non-thread safe, so that is the one I am going to install and recommend for most 64-bit computers. If your use case is different, you may need to install a different version. Read the "Which version do I choose" section to find out if you need a different version. You may also need the Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2015 to 2019 x64 or x86. So I'll go ahead and download the VS16 x64 non-thread safe zip file. After unzipping the file, copy the complete directory and move it to your Program Files folder, so that Windows can run the PHP executable. You may need to give administrator permission to do this. Once the files are copied, I recommend renaming the folder to something short and easy to find, like PHP, in my case. Now go back to your command prompt and check the PHP version to see if it is working. Likely you will get an error message as Windows is unable to find the PHP files. We will need to update our Windows path environment variable for Windows to be able to find the files. In the Windows search box, type env and then choose Edit the System Environment Variables. When System Properties opens, click on Environment Variables, then choose the path variable. I just did the local user's path variable. You may want to edit path in System Variables, so that any user can access PHP. Once selected, click on the Edit button. Choose New and the type C:\program files\php, or the name of your PHP folder here. Click OK and then OK. Go back to your command prompt and try php-v to get the PHP version. It may still not work, so close the Windows command prompt and then reopen a new command prompt. Try php-v, you should get the version number along with some other details. You can also reboot your computer if that did not work. Once you get the PHP version number, you have successfully installed PHP in Windows. Create a file using Notepad and save it to your user folder or any folder of your choice. When saving, change file type to All Files and then save it as first.php. Once saved, open a command prompt and browse to where you saved the file. To run the PHP script, type php first.php and then enter. You should see the text "Hello, I have just installed PHP in Windows."